house updates coming up in this vlog. We got our new couch. It's like our dream chair. However, it's very big for this spot. The sponsor of today's video, which is Skillshare. He is building us a whole new garage door. These are not like the finished chairs. It's actually insane. I've never had to deal with this before. You guys, welcome back to another video. I'm starting a new vlog today. I haven't done like just a casual daily vlog in so long, so I just thought I'd take you guys along with me. We got a lot of like house updates coming up in this vlog. I actually am in the midst of opening up a bunch of boxes, so I thought I would take you along with me through that. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. My name is Madison. Welcome to all of the moving vlogs. My boyfriend and I just moved from Columbia, Missouri to St. Louis, Missouri. We just bought our first house together, so life has been crazy and busy, but I'm so happy you're here. Little sneak peek at my office. It's very messy right now because of course we still have boxes, but I cannot wait to get some artwork up on these walls, you guys. It's looking so blank. I am in the middle of unboxing some bar stools right now because we decided that we can fit bar stools. We were a little worried because of the bench that they wouldn't be able to fit, but we think that they'll be able to fit just fine. So we bought just like some thinner ones. We didn't want anything like too big and bulky. We got 4 black bar stools, so we're going to put those together. So bought a new crate for Nala Girl because the old one, she just had one of those like wire crates that was really ugly, and we don't want to put her in the basement. So if I'm gonna have something that's like out in the open for everybody to look at, I want it to look cute. So I just got her. You can kind of see it's like one of those barn door like side table. It can be used as a side table, black, kind of nicer looking wood crates, so I'm gonna put that together today as well. We got our new couch. As you guys see, this one is going to be actually going in the basement, so this is not permanently up here, but we're having our housewarming party on Saturday, so we wanted something up here for people to sit on. So instead of keeping it in the basement for now, we're having it up here until our big nice sectional comes in. Our sectional should be in next week, which is really exciting. But yeah, this is just temporary, but we do love this couch. It's just not going to be up here permanently. We also got a new chair. This is like our dream chair. However, it's very big for this spot, so we're still trying to figure out where we're going to put it because our sectional is going to have the ottoman on this side. So we think with this whole area being open, it might not look as weird being there. Let me know what you guys think. I can either keep it there, or we can always move all of this kind of down and put it like in the corner over here. Slowly adding some final touches. We have some pictures up, just a little bit of decor. Of course, we're gonna hang our Nala sign up here on the wall at some point today. Oh my gosh, I have to show you guys our mat out front. It's so funny. This isn't me and Kyle. I don't know what is. Come on, let's go. Also added a little wreath to our door. I'm loving just like adding all these little touches. It just makes it feel so much more homey. We got these 2 prints, which eventually are going to hang up above the couch. We just have yet to hang them. Both some vintage St. Louis prints, which we love. We love the black and white. As you'll notice, is a theme around the house. We love black and white photos. This is a blanket ladder. I know it looks kind of random right now, but eventually we're gonna have a couple blankets like folded over it just to hold the blankets instead of having them like that, which is fine like that, but we just like it. And also just for decor, it looks kind of nice. And then, like I said, eventually those will be hung up over there. Kitchen is pretty much the same. I haven't really updated anything. I love how it is. So I don't really see myself changing this for a while. Also, sorry, we have squeaky floors. This is an older home in St. Louis. A lot of the homes are like 100+ years old, so it gets a little squeaky. As you guys saw over on my Instagram, our kitchen is white now, which I'm obsessed with. I think it just like brightens up the space so much. We have a lot of work to do in here today. I want to eventually hang that mirror above that couch. I took your guys' advice. A lot of you guys said that I should do a little basket wall over here, and I found these really pretty. They're not exactly baskets, but they're like that same rattan vibe. But I like how it had that little detail in the middle, so I'm going to, they're not going to be like that. This is just for me to look and see how it looked on the wall. Eventually they're going to be kind of like scattered around the wall, but I think we're gonna put those up today. Also finally got some glassware for our bar cart. It was looking so like boring up here. We also want to get like a little mixer to put on top, but I got all of this glassware from Home Goods. It's so cute. Put my monstera and a new planter. At first it was on like the floor in a little white basket. Nala's cracking me up that she has been in every clip of this. She's been following me around the house. You just have to be the star, don't you? Yeah. So I think it looks a lot better being up taller, and this pretty black vase or plant holder is from Amazon. Also, tell me why this is my favorite thing I've bought in the last week. I got Nella some cute new food bowls from HomeGoods. I am obsessed with them. Oh, also going to hang these little shadow boxes up here on the wall. They're gonna have like plants, I think like maybe like a picture in one of them. I don't know what else, but some type of decor will go in them eventually. Taking a break real quick and pausing this video just to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Skillshare. I love working with Skillshare. You guys already know. I used to literally always talk about them whenever I was at school. During my breaks, I was always taking a Skillshare class. Even though I'm home now, I am still taking classes on Skillshare. And if you guys are not familiar with what Skillshare is, it's an online learning platform with thousands and thousands of online classes. Whenever I first started watching my Skillshare classes, I honestly was so intrigued by all the education classes and just learning from other educators, which is what kind of drew me to Skillshare at first. You guys know over the years my interests have changed a lot, and that's what I love about Skillshare, because they have so many classes no matter what your interests are, and as a person you're always going to change and evolve and want to learn new things. And this is a place where you can do that. It's a platform where you can learn from other people that are experts on their topics, whether that is education or technology or more niche subjects like photography or videography or home decor. And for me, over the years, I have started new hobbies and exploring new passions, and I've been going to Skillshare just to learn more. Whether you're trying to learn a new skill or just find something that inspires you, sometimes I go on there and just find something that sparks my interest. I just think Skillshare is such a great platform for that. It's ad-free, so you don't have annoying ads interrupting your videos. Your catalog is available in subtitles in Spanish, French, Portuguese, and German, and there's new premium classes launched each week to discover something new. I just finished taking a class called Plants at Home, and it's by Plant Queen, and I honestly needed to take that class. I am trying to up my plant game. This is a fake plant, hence why I need to take more classes on how to keep plants alive, indoor, outdoor plants, it doesn't matter. I would love to know what goals you guys have for this year, what hobbies you want to start or maybe have already started. Comment down below something that you've already learned this year or you plan to learn, some new hobby to take on. I'm always looking for new hobbies and new things to learn about, so comment down below if there's something that really inspires you. But if you guys would like to check out Skillshare, they are offering the first 1,000 people to click the link down below a free month of classes, which is so amazing because that gives you so much time to take classes and to learn so much. So let me know if you guys do end up clicking that link and what classes you end up trying out. Okay, I realize I need Kyle's drill to do this. It's not something that you can just do with screws. You have to like drill into it, so that's gonna have to wait. I really wish I was a more handy girl, because I'm just not. Like whenever it comes to building stuff, it's just not my forte. Like Ella just scared herself. It's just not my forte. It just like stresses me out. Kyle knows I get like really overwhelmed when I'm trying to build stuff. I have a really hard time like reading directions. I'm a very visual learner. Like I need to watch a video or something to tell me what to do. Otherwise I just get like really confused or really lost. So that's gonna have to wait because I'm not about to go like get his drill and mess with that. But I'm gonna try to build the bar stool. Alright, one down, 3 more. Okay, we're kind of in a pickle because we bought 4 bar stools. We bought 2 packs and they come in a pack of 2. But we're realizing 4 probably isn't gonna fit unless these are like together. So we're thinking what would look best is 3 bar stools. So I'm just going to make the 3rd one, and then I don't know what we're gonna do with the 4th one, but it's either we keep 2 and return those 2, or we do the 3. So we think 3 would look best underneath. So I think that's what we're gonna end up doing. All right, we decided 3 was all that would fit under here. So I went ahead and built them. It honestly took me like an hour to build all 3 of these. It was just like, it was simple, just super tedious. But I still have that 4th one. Let me know what I should do with it. Should I build it and just like keep it for extra seating, or should I just dump it? The absolute worst part about moving is all of the boxes. I'm not kidding you. I have spent most hours of my life in the past month putting away boxes, like breaking them down. Luckily, our house has dumpsters right behind it, so we just have to carry them all out, but it's such a task to break all these down and put them in the dumpster. And at one point, we had boxes literally piled up to the ceiling that we had to take out. It's just like the most tedious task. So update, right now Kyle is actually in the garage. He is building us a whole new garage door. It has been a 2-day long project, and if you guys have ever tried to put together and like install your own garage door, you know it's such a task. And I feel so bad for him because there's only so much I can do. He's the project guy. He's so good with like hands-on projects, and I'm not, like I said before, especially with like handiwork. It's not my forte. I was in there for a few hours last night just helping him like hold things up and just helping him like carry the big pieces around, but other than that there's not much I can do. And unfortunately he's run into like a few problems with it, with our garage door not fitting the pieces that they gave us, so he's had to like saw a bunch of pieces and like reconfigure everything. So I just feel so bad. It's literally 101 degrees out, you guys. It's so hot, and he is in there just like drenched in sweat working so hard, and I'm in here just like editing my video, drinking my lemonade, my ice cold lemonade. I feel so bad. I'm gonna show you guys the garage door in a second, but I wanted to show you this new chair that we got. It's so cute. I just wanted like some extra seating back here. We are gonna have cushions and stuff on it this weekend, obviously. These are not like the finished chairs, but I wanted something a little bit extra. I'm gonna have a little pillow on it eventually too, but it's kind of this like rubbery feel. It's actually the most comfortable chair. I got it from Wayfair. Okay, our garage is back here. A lot of these older homes have like the detached garages, so ours is a 2-car garage. Kyle's in here blaring music. So he's made actually a lot of progress. We literally started with a super old garage. How old was our garage door? Super, I mean, this house is 70 years old, so we assume it's just the original one on it. It was like yellow, super thin. So we just wanted to upgrade it.
We're at the top, right? I gotta cut these holes over here.
He's gonna finish up in there because I'm dying being in that hot garage, and there's nothing I can do to help him right now. But this is the situation we're dealing with in our backyard. Right now we have weeds galore. It's actually insane. I've never had to deal with this before. So we have this mulch patch, as you guys see, which when we bought the house, there was no plants, no mulch, nothing in it. It looked so nice, just like fresh mulch where I can plant whatever I want in it. And over the last month or so, we have had so many weeds just with the seasons changing, and so now you can see it's literally covered in weeds. So I don't even know what to do. Kyle and I are thinking, because I mean obviously we could go in, we could rip them out, we could spray weed killer, but it's just gonna come back. We're thinking we might have to like remove the mulch and completely dig up like the whole root of the weeds, put some weed killer down, and then put some of the mesh like weed blocker underneath, and then remulch and put new seeds for whatever I want to plant down, because this is not cute. So we got to deal with that. Let me know if you guys have any ways to keep weeds out of your yard. Nala's little dog bed came in. It's still in the process of like puffing up. It's a memory foam, but I just needed to get her a new bed to go in her new crate. Also, I don't know if I updated you guys on this mirror that I got for my bedroom. This is from Urban Outfitters. Actually, they have, it's called the tall, what's it called? The XL floor mirror. I love it so much. It's exactly what I wanted. I just wanted something to kind of like make this space bigger since it's the smallest bedroom in our house. They have it in other options. They have it in like the skinny mirror or the small like floor mirror. This is the XL. I believe it's 6 feet tall. It was kind of a pain to get inside, but I love how it turned out. All right, I've been outside for a few hours. Kyle and I are still working on the garage, but I just spent the last 45 minutes getting weeds out of our mulch behind our patio. Let me show you. I don't know if you guys remember, but it was full of weeds before, and I literally went corner to corner ripping them out. I filled a bag and a half, trash bags full. Meanwhile, Kyle has been in here. Almost done. How you feeling? We almost there? We are both exhausted, if you can't tell. I'm a mess. He's a mess. It's just been a long day of housework, cleaning, getting things done. Being a homeowner is no joke. I had this thought today where I was like, man, I feel like we've just been like hardworking the past month. Like, it's just like a never-ending to-do list. And then it kind of hit me. I'm like, I think this is just what it is being a house owner or homeowner. You are always having things to do and work on, replace, fix, build, and I'm like realizing now this is just going to be a thing for the rest of our lives. I feel like there'll be brief moments of complacency and like just being happy in our home and not having anything to do, and then there'll be another moment where we have to work on something, fix something, and that's okay. I feel like that's just like part of life. I remember growing up and seeing my, oh my god, I look so bad right now. Let's go to the dark. I remember seeing my mom and dad like constantly out in the yard working, constantly working on things, and now it's hitting me. That was like my whole childhood that I was seeing them like working so hard and just keeping their house in order, and that's just what you have to do. So now I'm like, wow, I feel like a real adult. Like, this is just my life now. It's just making sure that my house is in order at all times. Let me know if you guys own a house, have built a house. Yeah, let me know if you've been in my shoes before, because it's definitely a lot of work. It's humbling. I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot about myself in the process, and I'm still learning every day, but it's been really fun. And honestly, it's kind of like a dream come true, honestly, because ever since I was little, I wanted to be like my mom and dad and own my own house one day and have my own family one day. So this is just part of the process. I am about to take a shower because I look like I need it, and eat some dinner, even though it's literally 9 o'clock. We've just had the longest day working, and get to bed. So I'm going to end off this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little like house update vlog, home decor, fixing things, building things. Sorry, this lighting is so bad. Still learning how to work with it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you guys so much. Stay tuned for more house vlogs, moving vlogs, all of that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.